Hello and welcome back. Today I want to present you the outcome of the trading setup from yesterday. I will leave the link to the video in the description below if you want to look afterwards. But here was the setup from yesterday. Wait a second. Here it is. So yesterday I told you that the markets will go up again because this is the setting. And yesterday I explained why. And that's what happened in the meantime. During the day, the price dropped a little bit. It dropped even below this line. Well, at this point, we could have considered that the price goes down, but this consideration would have been against our setup. So, this is the difficult part in trading to trust your analysis, to trust your instincts, and wait. And you always need to have enough margin. You see, if you had entered yesterday, for example, at this point, you would have needed a margin of 150 pip to get this result, expected result. Anyway, the risk reward ratio for this trade was 70%. If you had seen my video a little bit later, and if you could have jumped in the trade a little bit later, for example, at 189 or around 189, then it would have been even better for you. You would have made around 300 pips yesterday. Here you could have seen why I expected the price to go up. So here again, the same, but in the 30 minutes chart. Here I put a circle at the point where I made this video yesterday. And here we have, I choose this color green because it's the color that signals profit. So I put on this slide the profits that you could have made yesterday. You could have made 215 pips. If you want to make such profits in the future, please like and subscribe. And here we have the 15 minutes chart. We could have started here or anywhere here, and then the price would have moved up. For today, I expect the price to stay pretty much in this range or have a little correction down, but for now we have to wait a little bit for a new signal. So if you want to have profitable signals every day, or when they appear, I don't post something every day because there is not always something to be done. And then I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.